Crypto investors, listen up. As you know, the crypto space is constantly evolving, and so are the threats to your digital assets. That's why it's important to stay informed about the latest security measures you can take to protect your crypto. Here are 3 tips to help you keep your crypto safe. First, use a real-time alert system like CertiK Skynet Alerts. Skynet Alerts is a security monitoring service that provides timely notifications about rug pulls and exploits. You can access Skynet Alerts from the CertiK Skynet for Community Dashboard, or follow at CertiK Alert on X for real-time updates. Second, follow crypto news sites like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and CryptoSlate. This will help you stay up to date on the latest security threats and scams. You can also stay active on social media platforms like X and Telegram to get the latest news and updates. Third, do your own research before investing in any new project. This means reading the project's white paper, researching the team, and understanding the risks involved. By following these tips, you can protect your crypto assets from hackers and scammers. So stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay secure. To learn more about crypto security, subscribe to our channel and visit certik.com/resources.